No, don't kidnap me. I don't want to be kidnapped. So right now I'm saying, yeah. So there's a car over there. Hopefully I can use. No, no. Use the police. Don't kidnap me. Don't kidnap me, police. I'm innocent. I went to this jail for fun. I am purely innocent. Don't arrest me. Don't you dare arrest me. If not, you are a meanie and this thing. No! How did he jump over? I know how to do. I'm going to try to jump over. Am I up? Good, I'm up. What? No. No, I was so close. Anybody else help me Can you no? I think you press. My ninja stuff are this thing. And I'm just gonna walk. I am bored to death. I am bored to death. You can't blame me for being bored to death. I'm gonna try my luck and go over those coil things, but I think that's a bad idea though, so I'm not gonna do it now. Yes, I'm hostile. Wait, there are two punches. Look at these two punches. Punch one, punch two, punch one, punch two. Oh, hey, 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 I wanna drive. Yes, you shall not drive, cause I don't know how to drive. Sit down. Yes, you said. What are you doing? Okay, good. You're sitting down. Cause we're heading to we're becoming fungative, so I don't know how to pronounce it. Fungative? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's fungative. How do you ascend? How to ascend? No. I wanna jump down. Yes. Let's go there, people. Oh, look at the two back seats. And I don't know how to or something, so yeah. Got hurt. Oh, it was bouncing. And I don't know how to lower the what? Look, there's only one person who's a prisoner and I just flew that person. So everyone's like forced to be a prisoner. So everyone's fungative. And I'm the only one who's always here. Yes, I always prefer my ninja style. Get a hammer. A whatever it's called, and hey, get the fake ID. Yes, we need to get a fake ID. So if you don't know how to get a fake ID, you need to go to this brown house, also known as the second house. Well, yeah, it's actually the second, you know. There's no prisoners! No prisoners. No prisoners. There's no prisoners. So, everyone's forced to be a prisoner now. Cause everyone else are fugitives. Okay, good. This guy is getting the fake ID. Good. He got the fake ID. Now we just helicopter and dead. Oh, we can use this helicopter. Right? The one that bounced off the ground. And I just need to find out how to get in. How do we? Oh, yes. Q to fly lower. Okay, so now we know. Good. No, wait. Actually, it's now I know. Because I bet he know in the first place, but I just forgot actually. So, we're gonna break the prisoners, and apparently only one prisoner, so yeah. So, let's go rescue the prisoners, people! I wonder if a police can become a fugitive. I bet they can. Should I turn police? I think I should. Anyway, if you don't know, this is the so-called secret passageway. You need a hammer, and why is this Tesla thing Oh, sorry, Mr. Whatever your name is. Hurry up and let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Come on, yeah. You got it. Shall we save more prisoners? I'm gonna save more prisoners. Like, yeah. I mean, like, what would happen if I save more prisoners? Hey, I'm gonna kill you. No, come here. Look at that guy. Look at him. Wait, what? What had happened? Oh. Let's kill some police people. I don't care if I get arrested. They'll come back for me. Yes. 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 I'm coming for you. You. Okay. At least I'm back in the whatever it is. See? Yes. There's no harm in trying the police unless the police arrested you. Then I'm so sorry. I feel so sorry with you. For you, not with you. What happened? There's a police! Take cover! Wait, are those police or prisoners wanting to be saved? Pretty sure they're police, otherwise why would he attack them? Attack them. I wonder if they're still up. Oh! No, don't leave without me! Hey, I'm right over here! Mean man. Don't attack me! Don't attack me! It's against the law to attack me. Okay, not lah, but then still. Why you attack me? Oh, there's a new update, I guess. That now you can do it on computer, I guess. Just guessing again. To prison! Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, 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 don't give up, don't. What's this ATV? Whoa. Let's spawn it everything. Let's spawn everything. And you need Robux to buy that, you know. Let's just take the normal car, the plain, ordinary, the one that you can't use car. Yes, let's take this car. Am I driving? Am I driving? Help! I'm not driving! Help! Help! What happened? Yes, okay. Good, you're driving. Drive, you bacon hair, white skin colored person, and just bang into the lamppost. Should I drive? Nah, I don't think I can drive on this. Let me see. You're bumping into everything. Like you bump into that that lamppost. You don't bump into the lamppost, and is that a guy? Nah, that's just an ATV. And I hate you singing. I hate you escape. Wait, did you just spawn a car? Help, help. Let's kill some police people and save that only prisoner. And there's a gigantic. How did the car get there? Help, help, help. Yes. Quickly before all the police spawn. No. My HP is very low. Don't you dare attack me since my HP is so low. So low, everybody. Let's open everything, people. We are dominating everything and my HP is super low now, so... No! No! I died. My gun is over here, like, I'm shaking everything. What is craft Shankton? Wait. Hey people, I just pressed my head. I just pressed my head. Let's get the fake ID. Get the fake ID. Yes, I'm talking to you, person that I don't know who you are and what are the things. Yes, continue walking. I'm pressing E. What? What just happened? What just happened? I'm bowed. So apparently equal makes you have no hat. You know what? I don't care. I don't really care. I'm saving those poor prisoners and this land one, and I think everyone restarted. So for your information, press equal. So everyone, look. After press equal, and this happens, and you need to reset. I have no idea how to get your hair back, so you just reset, I guess. Oh, 13 minutes. I said minutes. Minutes and minutes. What's it there? I will not press this. It makes my hair bald. And how can a hair be bald? I am not pressing that. Stop spamming that. Stop spamming that. Ooh, dasa. Information. Dasa. No. What is this? Dasa. I don't know how to pronounce that. So we need to get a car, and I don't think I can drive a car anyway. So hey, this prison just he just dropped out of the sky. Oh great, there's a helicopter. Get to the helicopter quick, everybody. We get the helicopter, and there's some random people talking. Yes, I'm gonna go to you. Hey people, I'm descending. Get on. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up and sit down. Hurry up and sit down. Let's go to the prison and break everyone out. And I just saw something brown over there. I don't know why. What is that guy doing? So, descending. I don't know. I don't really know where I'm going.